If you're trying to send a large file in Outlook and keep hitting attachment size limits, this quick video will show you the easiest way to send big files in Outlook. First, open Outlook. Then click New Mail to start a message. Add your recipient and subject. Next, click the Attach drop-down menu, then choose Browse. If you choose a small file, it will attach immediately. But if your file size is large, you will get this pop-up message. You can instantly select the Upload and Share this file option, or if the file is in your OneDrive, select OneDrive and choose your file from there. Alternatively, you can choose the Upload and Share option. Next, select your file and click Upload. Outlook will automatically upload the file to OneDrive and attach it directly. Once the upload finishes, Outlook inserts a sharing link into your email. The recipient can download the file without any size limits. Finally, write your message and click Send. If you are an old Outlook Classic user, then follow these steps. First, open the Outlook app and click New Email. Enter the recipient's email address, add a subject, and type your message. Click Attach File, then choose Browse this PC and select your file. If the file is too large, Outlook will show an error message. When this happens, open a web browser and go to OneDrive or Google Drive. Sign into your account if needed. Click New in the top left corner, then select File Upload. Choose the large file and wait for it to finish uploading. Once the upload is complete, right-click the file and select Get Link. Click Copy Link, then click Done. Go back to your Outlook email, paste the link into the message, and send it. The recipient can download the file using the link, even if it's very large. That's how to send big files using Outlook. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.